Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to reset your Idoing head unit. First of all, go to settings, go to user and look for backup and reset, and here you have to type the code 3368. So 3368, press confirm, and you'll see a few options: reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, reset app preferences, or erase all data, factory reset. We'll do just that, and here it basically tells you what's gonna be reset: your Google account, system, app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, other user data. So it will go to original settings. We'll say erase all data, and it's going to reboot the head unit. After that, it will take a few seconds, and now it is back to the factory settings. I will quickly check. I'll go to Google settings, and now the Google account has been deleted. You'll have to sign in again if you want to use the device with your Google account. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.